Hello, I'm going to show you how to open your engine bay compartment on your Toyota Camry. It's super easy. We're just going to open the door here on the driver's side. And then if we take a look near where the emergency brake is, this is the emergency brake right here. And right here is your engine bay compartment opener. And all you need to do is pull that back. You should have heard that big plop from the engine bay compartment. And let's go open it. All right, so we're at the engine hood, and where it matters the most where to open it is right above the Toyota icon. And you can see here, the silver part is your latch. That's what keeps it closed down. And right here to the right of it is the opener for the engine hood. All you need to do is you take it and you want to lift up. You'll curve to the left, and when you curve it to the left, all the way open, then you can lift the engine bay. And that's how you open up the engine bay door for the Toyota Camry. And I'm going to show you how to put it down. You really want to not slam it, but make sure to put some force into it while you're closing it, because we want it to latch properly down. So I like to bring it down about here, and then I give it a little jump up, and then let gravity fall, just like that. And there you go. That's how you open and close your engine hood for your Toyota Camry.